Hey guys, welcome to Java Tutorials. In previous video tutorial, we had talked about the aggregate or group functions, and these are the example we had seen, right? In this video tutorial, we'll talk about the arithmetic functions in Oracle. If you look into the arithmetic function, so list is really exhaustive. But I'm not going to show you each and every functions in this video tutorial. Rather, I'll take a few important functions within this list, right? So if you look into here, arithmetic functions, I have listed these functions, and we are going to see these functions in this demo, right? So let's start with the ABS. ABS is nothing but the absolute. So when you require to return to get a absolute value, then basically we use this function. So I would say select ABS, whether you write in capital or small doesn't matter, and let's say I'm going to specify number as -12 from dual, right? Then if I run, then this function is going to return always absolute value, means positive value. So if I run, then here you can see 12 has been returned. Let's say if I specify a number in decimal, then again this will return with the positive number. Yeah, so this is all about the absolute function. Now let's move to the next function, that is mod. Mod is nothing but the modulus. So you have to pass two integer m and n. This function basically will divide m by n, and whatever is the remainder, that will be returned to you. So let me show you. So here let's say m I'm going to sorry 23, and n I'm going to run 5. So 23 divided by 5, so 3 would be the remainder, so that will be it. So sorry, here I have to specify mode. So if I run this, then here you can see 3 has been returned. Few things you need to keep in mind. If you specified a divider as 0, then this is going to return a numerator itself, 23 itself. I can show you this one, and here is the result. Yeah, now let's move to the next is the power, right? So here x raised to y, so first number will be raised to second number, right? So let me show you. So here I'm going to, let's say power, and let's say first number I'm going to specify as, let's say 4, and second number is 2. So 4 for just 16, so this will return you the power. Yeah, very simple. Here you can also specify negative number if you want. Okay, you can specify power as 3, then resultant would be negative only. Yeah, now let's move to the next. Now sqrt, this will give you the basically a square root. If you want to calculate the square root of any number, then sqrt is the function, right? So let's say I'm going to sqrt, and here I'm going to specify, let's say 25, then this is going to return us the square root of 25. Oracle, I think, does not support a square root of negative number. If I run this minus with -25, this will return you error, so keep in mind. And now next, round and truncate operation, right? So let's look how round works. So here I'm going to use round. Pretty simple. Yeah, 25 point, let's say 457, and you want the how many decimal after how many integer after decimal. So let's say if I say 2, then here you can say after decimal you have a 3 digits, right? And I'm telling, let return me the basically round this number after 2 integer after decimal, right? So 2 integer means 4 5, but third integer is if third integer is after decimal, third integer is 5 or greater than 5, then 1 will be added to this. Let me show you. And here is the result, 4 6, 1 is added over here. But if third integer is, let's say 3, which is less than 5, then value return would be 25.45. let me show you. Cool. So here you can see 4 5, 1 is not added. Now let's look into the truncate, right? So here let me show you. First of all, let me make it 7, and if I run, then this is going to return you 25.46 as we have seen, right? Now same if you applies on truncate, so TRUNC, I think that's the spelling. If I run truncate on the same, then let's see what. So here you can see what I'm telling you. So I'm giving you some decimal number and truncate it after uh, uh, just take 2 digits after decimal. That's the truncation. So truncation basically takes 2 decimal 2 digits after decimal, but this is basically not a basic count of a round will add if that will look into the third integer, right? And if that is 5 or greater than 5, then that will add 1 into the second decimal integer, but that is not happening the round when truncate. When you say truncate, simply that will look basically this number, and after decimal that will take just 2 integers. After that, that all number will be decimal number will be truncated, right? So guys, that's all I wanted to show in this video tutorial. I hope you enjoy learning this video. So if you are really interested to see some other arithmetic functions, then you can refer Oracle website. So this is really exhaustive. You can look some other functions as well. Guys, big thank you and see you there in the next video.